Hold it. Have you seen the shake it to the max dance trend? No, sorry.
And if you hear this on the go with the back, go with your knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Alright guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Danceglitch. I break down all choreographies you see online. Any dance trend, just come here. You come and see how it's being done, okay? Now, today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at the shake it to the max dance trend. Let's take it step by step, okay? So the first move is your hand like this, then your leg comes out. So you're hitting out your hips. Hey, watch, it's here. You're hitting hits, you take it back. You understand? So when your hand is this way, you go 1, 2, 3, pa, pa. So 1, 2, 3, pa, pa. Watch, it's pa, pa. So when you're doing 1, 2, 3, pa, pa, you are turning to this position. You can actually do 1, 2, 3, pa, pa, staying straight, but just to make the move easier for you, you go 1, 2, 3, pa, pa, 1, 2. Like you're opening something. You understand? So you're doing it just twice. So 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2. Let's go again from the top. From here, 1, 2, 3, pa, pa. Open, close. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. So as you're opening, the leg is moving, your right leg is moving forward. So it's like left hand opening, right leg coming out, then you return, right hand opening, left leg coming forward. So when you do the two together, it's like 1, 2, you go back, you get. So it's 1, 2. Then the shake it to the max move. You can do anything you want. You can actually go A, but for me, what I love doing is to whine. So you just cover your face, then you whine. You can hop, then whine. Yeah, that's what I did. So, what did I say from the top again? Hands on the air, your hips hitting out. 1, 2, 3, pa, pa. Open, reverse, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open, open, then shake it to the max. I say what? Shake it to the max. Shake it what? Shake it to the max. That was not part of it. I'm sorry. Now, let's do that with the song. Let's do it with the song, yeah. Oh, sorry. I have to put it. So the beat is kind of fast, but let's go, okay? Hands on the air. Let's go. Alright, so that's the shake it to the max dance trend. If you know you've learned it, come on, give us a like, drop a comment, share this video too. And if you haven't, just rewind the video, go watch it step by step, okay? You'll definitely get it. It's a very easy dance, alright? With that, I want to say a very big thank you. If you know you're new to my channel, please tap the subscribe button. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to drop a comment telling me the next choreo you want to see a breakdown on, okay? And with that, I will say, au revoir. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.